everyone. We're on the road. We're loaded. We're heading from Bowling Green, Kentucky to St. James, Missouri. Dropping off at a Walmart distribution center. Gonna make it straight through today. And hopefully get another load for tomorrow. That's for later. Yeah, we're on the road. We got about 6-7 hours total trip. We're on Interstate 165 north coming out of Bowling Green. We'll get up to Interstate 44 and head west towards Missouri. Just after St. Louis, we'll jump off Interstate 44 and head southwest to St. James. Got on Interstate 64 west, headed towards St. Louis. We got about a little under 2.5 hours until we get to Love's 758, I believe. We're going to stop there for fuel. Hopefully we can hold out to use the restroom until then. Getting old. Can't hold my bladder as long anymore. Yep, we're on the road, making good time. We just went through Evansville, Indiana. The road goes right through Evansville. It's a pretty decent sized town in southern Indiana. It takes a little bit of time to get through, but doing all right now. Fuel stop is completed. We also got some pizza and a Pepsi for the road. So let's get back to the road. We got about an hour and 50 minutes remaining. We have follow-on loads. Get us home at some point sooner than we were gonna otherwise, so everything should be good. remember where we left off. But at any rate, we got to our delivery, dropped our trailer, picked up an empty trailer, took it about 2 miles down the road, dropped it off, went back to our original delivery and picked up another empty trailer. So we're on the way to our final pickup of this section out, I'll say, this trip out away from home. We're going to be going from Jenks, Oklahoma, back to Dallas, Texas. From Dallas, I'll be dropping off the truck and the trailer at the terminal, and then I'm heading home for a couple days. I'm going to be a little bit later on Saturday getting home than I wanted to, but we're getting home on Saturday, so all will be fine. So that's a relief. I miss the kids, I miss my wife. I love this job, I love trucking. I get aggravated about certain things, but I do enjoy my work. It's not hard. It's not physically hard, but it's a lot of hours behind a steering wheel by yourself. I'll stop rambling. It's a beautiful night. It's 65 degrees. We're in like south central Missouri. It's a lot better than those 20s and 30s we were having up in Indiana and Illinois earlier this week. Just glad they didn't send me to Minnesota or someplace like that. That would have been, I'll bet it was miserable cold up there. I was up there two, 3 weeks ago in Minnesota and Wisconsin, and it was downright frigid up there. Really, it was probably only in the 30s. The wind was blowing like crazy, but I'm not used to that weather anymore. But anyway, getting to watching a nice sunset as we head on down the road. All right, we made it to our rest stop for the night. We're in Sarcoxie, Missouri. The Loves off of Interstate 44 West. It's time to shut it down. We had 32 minutes left of driving or something like that. Let me see. I can look real quick. 33 minutes left of driving on the clock. 45 minutes of work day. We did 12 hours and 57 minutes of work today. Long day. So, gonna relax, gonna eat some food, get a shower. Work on getting some videos out for you guys. Tomorrow we're gonna head to Jenks, Oklahoma, and pick up our load and head down to Dallas, and then we're done. Once we deliver in Dallas, it's a short run over to the terminal and I'm done. So we'll be heading home for a couple days. So Thanks for watching, guys. I am absolutely dog tired. See you tomorrow.